back at me. I don't know what happened. Guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems. I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. Back when I met you, we were like fireworks. Thought nothing could break us, but oh how we got burned. Look at us now, we scream, we fight, and no one knows the reason. We're both getting out of line. Now say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. We were holding on to something that we both know couldn't work, so we should try to say goodbye. You know we had our problems, so now we have to try to move on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. Oh, I'll get over you. I look in the mirror, who's looking back at me? I don't know what
で
happened.
も一個聞きたいんやけどさ、セリアなんか別にさ、消しゴムなんて入れてないよな。
入れてないよ。
でもな、今日さ、昼休みにさ、外で遊ぼうとして長靴にさ、足入れたらさ、なんかがあったんやって見てみたらさ、
でも朝入ってた。
消しゴムなんやってやったんやって。
朝入ってたし。
でもセリナじゃないし、ママがさ、入れたとしてもさ、セリさ、まだそんなに消しゴムさ、なんていうの、
朝入ってたらね。
朝はなかった。レモンでママに聞いてみてって言われた。
どんな消しゴムが入って
ピンク。
る？ピンクの消しゴムなんて持ってない。
あと、
持ってない。
あとそれを開けてなかったの。
新しいやつやったの？なんだろう。
この前なんだっけ、絵がなくてなんかただピンクなのに物って書いてある。
ものって書いてある。もの消しゴム？
そう。
持ってない。誰かくれたんじゃない？
何も言わずに。ママこの前白いじゃなくなかった。
それ今日のお寿司。
Now say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna back at me. I don't know what happened. Guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems. I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over
ママ、あそこの木のとこからさ、離れたところ行けた。
すごいじゃん。
あとね、飛び箱飛べた。
すごいじゃん今日。
4段。
バイクで。すごいじ
本当に4段。こうやって行くやん。こうやって行くやつや、ママ。こうやって行くやつや。
Now say